Yeah, hello guys. So let's make a GBPUSD analysis for the following week. Okay, so let's make a GBP analysis for the following week and see what's happened. Today is 7th of April. So next week will be Saturday will be 8, Sunday will be 9, so Monday will be 10th. So 10th of April upwards. So let's see what is likely to happen. Okay, so let's start from the monthly, like we always like to do, and we can see how far. No, I told you that the last time we did, I said this green, red, green is a bullish pattern, and it shows that the market will go up, and you see that's what is already happening here. So if we put our okay, so now let's go to the weekly. So on the weekly now, you can draw a trend line like this. Let's go to the daily to set it. Okay, we'll make it touch the week. Then so let's go to the 4 hour now. Okay. Now, if you just look at this price action from the daily, you will think this is a reversal. I want to say it that like this is coming. I just see 3 red candle and it's coming down. So you believe that probably it's going down to this place. That's what you believe. But if you now come to the 4 hour, you will now see what is happening on the 4 hour. So you see that this is forming like a channel and it's like a falling wedge. Do you see that? So it's like a falling wedge. This is the leg, like what you can call a falling flag or something like that. So this is the leg like this, and this is the flag that is falling down. So what usually happens is the length of this flag, the length of this leg will be the length of the upward move when it finally breaks out. So this is what will happen from here. Now when it eventually breaks out, we can measure it like this. So I've tampered with it, so let me go and measure it back. Okay, so to be something like this. So if you put a line up there, so let's go and check it on the daily to see where that aligns to. So this one up here. So let's see. Let's change the color so that you know the one we're talking about. Let's change it to something like pink. So you see it just automatically, that's where it just goes. So that means that's where the market is coming. You see that based on the leg of that, just by measuring it with the leg of that flag. So if we go to the 4 hour now, so the leg of that flag like this. So just by measuring by the leg of that flag, so that's how market usually moves. So you can just target. So whenever the right position, so I've been expecting this market to buy since, so I've been expecting it to break, because if you take your Fibonacci, so this is already at the 50 zone. So let's mark the 50 zone. You see the market is already at that golden zone, and that is what it's reacting from. So the worst that could happen is for it to still get to this. Let's draw this Fibonacci. So if you go to the daily now, so the worst that could happen is it could still try to come to the 61.8 zone, and if it even gets here, maybe it wants to bounce off this trend line or whatever. So we don't know yet, but the cocoa is sure that by the time it eventually breaks out of this channel, it's going up. So now, because this is the forex market, anything can happen. If it now breaks outside of this trend line down here, let me change the color of this one so you know what I'm talking about. Let's change this one to, okay, so this lilac or pink or whatever, purple or whatever line. So if it breaks outside this line, we can expect to go down, but I'm not expecting that because of the channel that this is forming on the 1 hour or 4 hour. You see that? So because of this channel, that's why we can expect it. Now these ones are different. When all these ones were going down, it wasn't forming channel. You see it? When this was going down, you see this kind of going down is different. When market is bouncing from here, as it's going down here, this is not a channel. And when it's going back up, this is not a channel. You see how it's going. So the same thing when it's coming down like this, when it's coming down like this. So all these ones like this, the way it's coming down, these are not channels. They get it now. So these are not channels. The same thing, the way it's falling down like this, it forms a head and shoulder, and it's coming down. So it's different. You see like this. So okay, it's almost similar to something like this. Yes, it's similar to something like this. So this is a channel now. So do you see what happened? As it broke that channel, that's what it used to form, this head and shoulder. So this is the leg of the flag. You see that? This is, that's what's now used to come here like this. So it's almost approximately. So that's it. So that's how I usually go. Almost approximately. So if you put a line on it like that. So it's approximately, not even almost approximately. You see it? So just by measuring it like this, come here, measure it, boom, that's it. So that's how it works. So it's something like, so this one that's coming, this one is a channel, it's coming like a channel, falling like a channel, so you can expect it to break out. So it's different from when market is going like this. This is not a channel, it's just a line. So something like this. So let's leave that here. So that's what we're expecting. We're expecting this channel to break up and go. So it can fall fake you out, whatever. So that's why I've not been entering sell, even though it's coming down. Although I didn't expect that to get this far, but I'm not entering sell. That sell is a trap. So it is just to entice more people to enter sell. So no matter how long it goes, if you like, let it break this big line, lilac or whatever, or purple line. I'm not entering sell. I'm just waiting for it. Once it breaks here, I'm entering buy upwards. So we don't know what it will start with, whether it's going to gap up or whatever, or the continuation. So whatever way it goes, that's what you should be expecting. So based on that, just, I don't know your concept of trading, how you trade, look for your entry. And I wish you best of luck. Peace. So the instant dollar course is available. If you want to learn how to trade, IDC is still available. It's 20,000 naira. We'll teach you how to trade. You become a professional. You don't need somebody to be analyzing chart for you anymore, because this cannot go on forever. So, and you will know when to take your entry. You will know what informs these decisions, what I'm seeing on the chart, why am I seeing it, how am I able to see it like that. You'll be able to do such things. So there is more to all these things. This is not just all there is about trading. So if you want to learn, you want to take your trading game to the next level, you want to become profitable, and the guarantee I give is that if you go through the IDC course within 1 week, you will become a professional, a pro, guaranteed, and you start making money from the forex market. You start printing money, literally. You understand it? You'll be printing money. So all the losing days will be over and you start reaping. But the problem is traders will not hear until they blow their account. Do not come running to my DM. So don't wait until that happens to you. Be wise. And if you say you don't have time, you can choose to sign up for our Signal channel. It's just 10,000 naira monthly. And in that case, we'll do the analysis for you. When it's time to buy, we'll just send you the signals. And you can also pay for alerts. That will cost you 5,000 naira extra, which means we will call you. You'll get a call, because most times when the signal drops, people don't see it on time. By the time they see it, the signal is already late. So by the time you take it, you might not eventually lose. You say blah 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 blah, because you didn't enter at the right time. Signal drops 10 minutes, 30 minutes later, you are now entering the market, so it's already late. So, but it's not like when it's dropping, you are seeing it and you are executing it. So once the signal is dropping, even before we enter trade, we'll call you that, hey, get ready, enter at so place. So that will cost you 5,000 naira extra. So that will be 15,000 naira monthly, and you'll be getting a call each time there's a signal for trade or any opportunity to trade to make money. And that'll be all. See you guys later.